Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about some simple phrases on how to greet people. Normally, when you greet people, you say hello, how are you? That's exactly what we're going to talk about. Only three phrases. Here we go. All right. Phrase number one is how are you? There are many ways to do it. The more formal way would be 你好嗎? 你 means you. 好 means good. When you tag on the word ma, you turn into question. You good? You're good? That's how you say it. Pretty much how are you doing? How are you today? It all means are you good today, right? So 你好嗎? That's how you do it. Okay? But when you say 你好嗎, it's kind of very formal. You don't talk to people. How do you do? How exactly are you? Nice to meet you. You don't talk to your friend like that, right? But you do talk to your friend like what's up, right? Very casual way of greeting people every time. So we have something like that too in Cantonese. You will go if you're talking to your friend. You will go 點啊just means how are you doing? Very what's up? Very casually. 點啊 Okay. Um. Again. We turn into a question. 點 means how are you? Doing. Kind of short form slang. Now, another way of saying it would also be 幾好嗎? 你幾好嗎? Or 你幾好嗎? You, how much good you are. 幾 means how much. Normally, it's a counting verb. You're counting something. 幾好, how much good are you? Okay. At the end, it's similar to how are you doing. You just more quantify, trying to quantify how much you're good, right? So again, very simple. 你好嗎 is formal. 點啊 means what's up. 幾好嗎 means how are you really doing? Okay. All right. How do you respond to this? You respond to 我幾好. Now you see this word 幾 again. Because they ask 幾好嗎, you respond with part of the phrase back. Say 我 means I. 幾好, I am good. I am kind of good, right? It's not really complete. If you complete, you are completely very, very good. Then you will say 好好, very, very good, doubly good. Okay? But 我幾好 means I'm so, I'm kind of good. Right? I'm kind of good that I can count. I'm not infinitely good, right? I can count how good I am. 我幾好. Okay, and at the end you will say 你呢?你呢? 你 is you. Okay, if you watch my previous video, you would have picked up you means 你, I means 我. Okay, 你呢? Okay, this 你呢, why do we have the you in there? Obviously, it's asking the other person back. How about you? Okay, I'm good. How about you? 你呢? 你 turn into a question again. Okay, 你呢? How about you? So that's how you respond to it. Or like what I said, if you're very, very good, you say 好好. If you are kind of good, you say 幾好, right? Simple, easy to understand. Clear like mud. What do they call it? Okay, anyway. How about you want to just simply say hello to someone? It's very simple. You say 你好. Again, 你 means you, 好 means good. you're good, but it is not in a question form. You're just wishing somebody you are good. Okay? So that's essentially what hello means. You want to greet somebody, it's a friendly way of saying something good, right? 你好. Okay? Now, or there are phonetic way of saying hello in Cantonese is hello. Okay? You kind of drag the syllables a little bit longer. Hello. They say really funny. Hello. Okay? That's how you say hello in Cantonese. I hope all these phrases at some point you can make use of them. And I hope explanation is clear. I will see you next time. Thank you.